What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to teach you a Shopify spy trick. All right, welcome back. So Shopify doesn't really like us showing spy tricks. In fact, I tried to apply to be an affiliate for Shopify, and because they looked at some of my videos and stuff, then they denied me for the referral affiliate program for Shopify. But oh well, it is what it is. I'm going to keep showing the stuff that I like to show on this channel because we're underground affiliates and we're making money over here. So want to show the real deal here. All right, so I got a really cool ninja trick here. This one is pretty unique. I've already showed you guys on this channel, if you haven't seen the video already, the myip.ms trick. The myip.ms trick is you go to this website, myip.ms, you click on hosting companies, go to Canada, and that's where Shopify is based. And you see Shopify is the first one, so you click on Shopify, and this is going to show you all the top websites for Shopify. Now, here's where it gets really good, okay? There's another website here called Comma Feed, okay? Comma Feed. Go ahead to comma. I spelled that wrong. Let me fix that. Comma Feed. There we go. Go ahead to commafeed.com and set up a free account. You just got to have a username, a password, and an email. Boom, and you're in. All right. And then when you go to Comma Feed, okay, what the whole idea here is to grab like 10 to 20, maybe even 30 of the top Shopify stores, maybe ones that are like in the niche that you're kind of in. And what you can do is you can basically have this feed be like an aggregator of those stores. And every time they put up a new product on any one of those stores that you're following, you're going to see it. It's going to pop up in the top of your feed. It's kind of like a blog aggregator called Feedly, but for Shopify stores. It's pretty dope. So you're going to go to commafeed.com, okay? And then what you're going to do is I'll kind of walk you through a demo here. All right, so you go over here to myip.ms, and obviously you're going to go over here to hosting companies. You want to go to Canada, and you want to check Shopify here, okay? So you click on Shopify. And this is going to give you like all the websites here. I know this jackthreads.com, they add new products fairly often. Some of these are like brands. They're not adding new products, so you need to go down into your, deeper into your pages and take a look at like all the records here and start to find stores that are large, that are like more like possibly adding products on a regular basis. Some of these are like brands, are not going to be adding products. But let's take a look at this jackthreads.com real quick, and we'll see. I'll show you how this works. So basically, you put in you got to put the name of the store here. So you go Jack threads.com. Then it's got to say /collection/all.atom. You kind of click off that. It'll load here the feed name. So Jack Threads. So click save. And notice here Jack Threads has 23 new products that have been added. So you can actually go and like see what these products are, okay? So these are new products that have been added by Jack Threads. So there's like a gazillion stores here, 116,000 records. Okay, so you're going to have to start to do some heavy research here and go in and dig deep into this, maybe page 15, 20, 30, until you start finding stores that are actually adding products. Some of these are going to be like brands and whatnot, and they're not going to have like new products coming in that, they might be trademark type of stuff that you're not going to be able to really safely promote in the U.S. But that's the idea here. The whole idea is to get, maybe 20, 15, 20, 30 stores up here that are all adding new products on a regular basis, and you can go in there and see what these guys are adding. Okay, so these are some interesting products that could be hot sellers. They've added them recently, and it's worth doing some research on them to see if they're actually legit products. But that's your ninja Shopify trick for the day. Basically, you just go into find your 20 to 30 stores that are adding new products. You're going to go to the myip.ms, get that free CommaFeed account, commafeed.com, and then just go ahead and you got to add the Shopify store once you find it on myip.ms, and you just add the /collections/all.atom, and you start building your store, a list of stores that you can follow on a daily basis of them adding new products, and those could potentially be a nice gold mine for you if you can find a good winner on one of those stores that you're following. So if you guys learned something today, I'd appreciate a comment below, and let me know what you think of this spy tactic. And if you are doing e-com, I'd like to know about it. And if you're new to the channel, leave me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Bang the notifications bell and give me a like on this video. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.